man, then 2 turn up.
Huh?
I said, you don't get any, then 2 get
I know. It's like the fucking buses these days.
I got some guys back there.
Good man.
Who's up? To the left.
To the left.
That's all I'll go. Friendly.
Oh yeah.
We're not feeling it, we have a marshal right here. So I'm watching them both.
Watching who?
These two. We didn't get hit, did we? No. I'm watching them both.
He's on this right side. Do you want to throw this?
Red.
How far? Someone needs medicing up that way. 20 metres. Not medic again! 20 metres, right side.
I've just been like trying to stay alive. I haven't killed anyone. No, then. No.
Well fucking done, Tom. Fucking major league player right there. Nice one.
You have to wait for a medic. So are they coming from down there as well? They're coming from up there.
Coming all from the FOB. They're probably falling back trying to flank round.
They were keeping coming up there. He got
Is that ours in
Alex
street,
again.
yeah?
So we managed to kill him. Alright lads, we're doing well. Woo!
Sorry, Marshall.
I think. Not sure. Fuck it.
Swap round with you.
Take it anyway. Appreciate it. Hold on, my hand.
Take my strong hand. Take my strong hand.
I wouldn't touch nothing. I don't know what we're talking about. I would love to stay and help, but there you go. We're all going to be in a puddle if I don't move.
Go pee.
Right in the middle of combat as well.
Oh,
You'd
right.
think his banner would hold out, but he's like, nah. I'm too badass for that.
Five more minutes, then pull back if we can't grab that flag. That's the only reason I come here. I just want to be a cunt, you know.
Yeah. Hey!
Yeah.
Is your medic right there?
I'm only moving because I'm slippy in the mud.
Okay.
Right.
I'll run over to you.
Alright, sorry.
Not even an inch, it was right above your head. Not an inch.
Really?
It flew over your head.
Whoopsie doodles.
Base plate?
Yeah.
You been hit or?
Oh, we're all good. Fuck it. Oi! Hello! Medic! Medic!
Fucking teabag coming in! I'm not a medic. Hit! Oh, right on the chin. Fucking come on. Don't tell me I'm out in this thing. Yeah. Switch down to here. Put these up there. Shit. DB's whizzing past. I'm gonna get hit soon. You're right. Go.
Cheers.
Fucking hell. There's some BBs going wee. might want to just double check that that's wound. I'm not sure it's some actual.
I'm nearly out of something. I've only got about 4 more left. I'll have to do a squad wipe soon then and fuck back off. Cool. So don't die for fuck, mate.
Stay low because there's one coming straight across.
Smoky smoke. Dead man walking out!
Someone over there. Oh, my God.
Sure, that's not starting a forest fire like Scout did earlier.
Dead men walking out, guys!
Is it again? Yeah.
Give him a
Good
shot.
tone.
Yep.
Make sure the guys safe to the.
Give me your own.
There's a hole in my boot, so I just stepped in that giant puddle. Right.
You provide
Scout,
me with
Tony. 5 more minutes or so.
That's what we said.
Then put it back, yeah?
We won't last that long, we're almost out of bandages.
Yeah, we've got 3
Right,
more.
fair enough.
So we may have to squad wipe soon.
Anyway. I'll come back with you guys. I'm
Yeah.
just high visiting it for the moment because this is quite a big firefight.
Yeah, yeah. It's the most firefight we've had all day, I think.
Someone wants to give ground.
Don't you love me?
It's in a very platonic way, you know? Good sign that means oh, right in the tit.
I gotta say, I've only got 1 kill today, but I've survived so many people. Pretty happy.
Well, then you
Right to
Happy with
left
that
round.
anyway.
He's coming, should be coming
Scout.
straight up on you, Duck.
Scout, just watch those MEDs for the DMR and your
Yeah,
then stand just a little less rapid.
yeah. Yeah, no worries.
Like that.
Sure, he builds them crazy, but not like that.
That's what we're saying.
Right, well we've got 3 bandages left, we're going to get fucked up, why don't we take the ground from them?
You know what? Let's get a big one out.
Alfie, I am sorry.
What was that, Tom? Was that your fat one?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, very good.
How far was it?
25 metres.
Nice.
Stay down there. We'll be fine through it.
See, they didn't like it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fucking easy on the spam. Going ham with that spam. Ah! Tactical slip and slide. Oh, that was a Marshall. You alright?
Yeah, just slipping.
Where's the rest of your squad?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One there.
I'll have you know.
Alright, I'll make it.
Where I got shot from? That's the question.
I don't know, 'cause it's all. There's one straight down, but I think behind that tree.
Which tree?
Big one. I was putting rounds down. There's a Marshall down. There's Chris down there. So I reckon.
Fuck's sake, Doug. Hook's been medicked 5 times. He's taken most of the stress.
Doc, you can bleed out, you cunt.
I can't get to you now, Doug. You've put yourself in there.
Is that coming from your 12 or somewhere else?
I think it's coming up from over there.
I ain't got eyes on it.
I've got my last mag now. It's anyway. Yeah. Starts to pull back anyway.
This one? I don't think it's FOB, it's IMI. I don't know what IMI is, if it's very good or not.
Whereabouts is it coming from?
Just past these trees here.
Oh, on the corner.
Yeah. I just can't see him. No eyes on.
Oh, hit!
Where did that come from? Can't say, mate. I'm dead.
Hey! Got this shit. We've only got one at the moment.
Right, fall back then.
Hey!
Come back. We're two down.
Scout squad,
Scout squad, where we going?
back to FOB.
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
I'm a little sore.
I've given 3, so.
We're on these side.
Give them back to me when we get the FOB.
Yeah, let's roll.
Pull that water back.